Hello students, today we will study about the circle. Chapter is circle, 8th standard SSC. Okay, but you can use in any standard because the topic is same. So what is circle? Circle is a planar diagram. Circle is a planar because it comes in a plane. Okay, line comes in a one dimension. Line is a one dimension. Circle, triangle, rectangle, square, all are the planar figure. Any two dimensional means it has two axes, x and y. And when you see sphere, cone, cuboid, cube, these all are the three dimensional figure. It includes three axes, x, y, and z. If we want to define a circle C having center O and radius R. This is the method we can write for the circle. Circle with a center O, radius R. Now, sir, it is infinite number of points in a plane. It is infinite number of points in a plane. A loci of the points in a plane equidistant from a fixed point means all these points have equal distance, okay, from a fixed point. That fixed point is called center. All points, loci of the all points having equidistant from the center, that is called O, and this distance is called radius of the circle, means from center to the circumference. This is called circumference. Okay. If you have a wire of length 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 100 centimeter, and make a circle, that length is equal to circumference, 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Now here, infinite number of points or loci of the points equidistant from a fixed point in a plane. You need to write in a plane because their point can be anywhere. Na? This point is here also. If this distance is 10 centimeter, you can make 10 centimeter distance anywhere. But it should be in a plane. Means loci of the points in a plane equidistant from a fixed point, that is called center. That is called center, and from center to the circumference point, any point on the circumference to the center is called radius. Now, any line join 2 points in a circle, any line join 2 points in a circle called chord. We can say chord. Measure of AB is a chord. This is called chord. And when you see this arc, this is called arc. AYB. See here, AYB is a small one. Na? When you compare with this, means whenever you cut a circle, if you have a circle and cut this circle from any point, you will have two arc. Okay, one arc is this and another arc is this. If you cut from the center, you will get the semi arc, half arc. Semi means half arc. Means if this is a circle, you are cutting from the center, passing through the center, this is called diameter. These 2 points distance is called diameter, double of the radius. That is called double of the radius. If it is r, it is r, so diameter is equal to 2r, or r is equal to diameter upon 2. Okay. So, in a circle, cut the 2 points and the line coming out of the circle. This is called secant. Secant cut the circle at the 2 points, not more than 2 points. If any line touches a single point in a circle, it is called tangent. It is called tangent. Okay, this is a tangent, touches a single point on the circle. Single point. And when the 2 point of the circle, that is called secant. Okay. But when 2 points are joined, means these 2 points joined, these 2 points we are joined, these 2 points we are joining, okay, they're having different meaning. Like these 2 points called radius, diameter. लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड ऑफ सर्किल, उससे बड़ी नहीं हो सकती, आएगा एग्जाम में. लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड ऑफ द सर्किल इज व्हाट? डायमीटर. यू आर स्लीपिंग मैन. लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड ऑफ द सर्किल इज कॉल्ड डायमीटर, एंड डायमीटर इज double of the radius. Diameter is double of the radius. And what is radius? Line joining from the center to the circumference, point on the its circumference. Line joining from center to the point on the circumference, that is called radius. Okay. The radius is always constant. Whatever the point you consider, you will get same radius. If 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter here, anywhere. Okay. So circle is the loci of the points equidistant from a fixed point, that is called center. Okay. If you name any circle, if you have 2 circles, so one circle you can say name C circle with center C, circle with center O and radius R. If you have one more circle, you can put circle C dash. The name of the circle is C dash, having center point O dash and R dash is the radius. If both are same, no need to use. Okay. But you have a circle with center O and radius R. This is the pattern to write. And sometimes they write M for the measure. If this length is 5 centimeter, the measure of chord is 5 centimeter. Measure of arc is 10 centimeter, जो भी है. तो आर्क के लिए ऐसा बनेगा और कॉर्ड के लिए ऐसा बनेगा. बताओ लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड ऑफ द सर्कल क्या है? बताओ. डायमीटर है. इट इज डबल ऑफ द रेडियस. रेडियस का डबल होता है. लोकाई ऑफ द पॉइंट इन ए प्लेन equidistant from a fixed point in a circle, that is called center, and center to the any point distance is called radius. Okay, these all points you must have cleared. This is called minor arc, this is called major arc. But when a line passing through the center and connected to the 2 points, when 2 points of the circle connected by line and that line passing through the center, called diameter, that is called diameter. Whatever the line going through the center, it must be diameter. Okay. When any line cuts 2 points in a circle, that is called secant. Any line just touches a circle at a single point, that is called tangent. Tangent means sparsh rekha, touch होके चलेगी. So these all points you have cleared. Now we are coming back with a new topic, new numericals and questions of this chapter. So bye bye students. Have a nice time. God bless you all.